Hello children, how are you all? सब कैसे हैं? Fit and fine? Okay, very nice. Okay, now today in this class, in this video, we are going to start a poem, a new poem. As you can see, the name of the poem is written here. The name is Teacher's Pest. Okay, what is the name of the poem? Teacher's Pest. It's a poem and the poet of this poem is Ron Mendrick. What is the name of the poet? Ron Mendrick. So the name Teacher's Pest. The poem is about a conversation between a teacher and the students, and what happens with the teacher. That she pest here means frustration, gussa, annoyed, and what happens that the teacher gets frustrated. What happens with her in the class? The students are there, teacher is there, she's teaching, and at once suddenly something happens with her, due to which she gets frustrated. वो गुस्सा हो जाती हैं. क्या होता है उनके साथ ऐसा? What happens with her? It's given in the poem. So let us see what is the poem about. Why the teacher gets frustrated. On Monday morning, back at school, our teacher seemed quite stern. She stared at us without a smile and admonished us to learn. I sat in silence grumpily, twiddling both my thumbs. I did my best to concentrate on multiplication sums. Teacher sat down in her chair, glasses perched upon her nose. When suddenly her scolding stopped in silence, she just froze. Now here, let us start with the explanation. On Monday morning, back at school, after Sunday when we go to school on Monday, so it's the time of Monday morning, our teacher seemed quite stern. Our teacher came, she entered and she looked very stern. Stern means strict, very rude. Teacher strict hote hain, okay? So she looked very stern, very strict. She stared at us without a smile. We were sitting there, all the students, and here the poet is assuming herself as a student in the class, one of the students of the class, and she has composed this as in a form of poem. So she stared at us without a smile. She stared. Stare means glared. घूर के देखना. She stared at us without a smile. मुस्कुराई नहीं, बिना स्माइल के उन्होंने हम सबको घूर के देखा. Stared. She admonished us to learn. Admonished means scolded. डांटना, scold करना, डांटना, admonished. उन्होंने हम सबको डांटा पढ़ने के लिए, याद करने के लिए कि पढ़ो. Isn't it? टीचर एंटर करते हैं स्कूल क्लास में, सब बच्चों को एक देखते हैं टीचर्स ठीक से बैठे हैं, everybody sitting properly or not, है ना? ठीक है? So here also the poet is describing that when teacher entered, she was very stern, she was very rude, she was looking very strict, and she scolded everyone to be accurate, in accurate position, in proper position, and to learn the things, to study in the class. I sat in silence grumpily. मैं भी चुपचाप बैठ गई, silence grumpily. Grumpily means irritated. I sat quietly but I was getting irritated. Irritated means I was getting annoyed. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा था कि मुझे नहीं बैठना है ऐसे. Don't want to sit like this. Twiddling both my thumbs. Twiddling means twisting. Means जब हम फ्री बैठे होते हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे होते हैं या कुछ सोच रहे होते हैं, so हमारे हाथ जो होते हैं, some are in the habit of doing this type of movement with thumbs, isn't it? Doing this type of movement with thumbs. तो इस टाइप के एक्शन को, अंगूठे को, थम्स को हम ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं और सोचते हैं हम like this, we are sitting. So this is known as twiddling. ठीक है? Twiddling both my thumbs. I was also sitting in the class and twiddling both my thumbs. I did my best to concentrate on multiplication sums, and I was trying to concentrate. Concentrate means जो टीचर पढ़ा रही हैं उसको ध्यान से सुनने की कोशिश कर रही थी मैं. I did my best. I tried my best to concentrate on the multiplication sums. Which period is going on? Multiplication sums means it was the maths class and the maths teacher is there. So she was teaching multiplication sums to the students. So I am also trying, but I am not able to concentrate. Teacher sat down in her chair, glasses perched upon her nose. Teacher sat down in her chair. After that, when she taught the content, the sums, she sat on the chair. Chair पे वो बैठ गई, ठीक है? And glasses perched upon her nose. Glasses means the specs. You can see in the picture. See here. The teacher is wearing the glasses. Okay? Glasses means the specs. Chashma. Perched on her nose. Perched means rested. यहाँ पे रखे हुए थे, टिके हुए थे, अटका हुआ था, perched, ठीक? On her nose. When suddenly her scolding stopped. Then what happened? Suddenly she stopped scolding. वो डांट रही थी, लेकिन अचानक से क्या हुआ? वो डांटना उन्होंने बंद कर दिया. All of a sudden, don't know what happened. क्या हुआ होगा उनके साथ? In silence, she just froze. और वो चुप हो गई. डांटना उनका बंद हो गया. एकदम शांति हो गई. Everything was quiet. Everything there was silence. She froze. और वो डर गई. Froze means the action made. Froze means जम जाना. एक जगह पे still हो जाना. डर के मारे froze हो जाना. डर गई वो कि पता नहीं what happened. क्या हुआ उनके साथ? In silence, she just froze. वो डर गई. Froze, जम गई.